Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these sponges right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see, it comes with 4 different ones. Let me go ahead and show you the textures and everything of each of them. Okay, so here are the pink ones. And as you can see, they are just like this really soft material. You're supposed to be able to apply foundation and powder with these. You have these beige ones. Again, same exact material. And each one comes with 2. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 total. You have black ones. And then you have white ones. So let's go ahead, get right into this and start applying my makeup. So I'm going to start off with some liquid foundation. And I'm just going to use the tan ones for this one, since it is like the same color range. Just put it on your hand like this. And then we're going to start applying. So I'm just going to dab it in. And then just start patting it into my skin. Okay, so as you can see, this is before. You can still see all the red. This is after. Definitely really full coverage, I would say. And the awesome thing about this is you can get like right into the corners of your eyes. So just take this, slightly dab it right there. And you can see you can get right into the corner without creating like a huge mess or getting it everywhere. So let me go ahead and apply this side, and then I'm going to show you what the next part looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and put on some brows, finished my foundation. So before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this just to kind of blend it in to see how it does with those. Because I usually do use this anyway. So we'll see how it blends that out. So I'm going to start off with this. So it doesn't seem like it's doing too bad. So not too bad at all. Now we're going to go in with the blush. So this is the blush. And I'm going to go in with the pink one. So as you can see, it really doesn't like move the product around. It kind of keeps it in its place. I'm going to put some right here. This really kind of keeps it in its place, but then it does blend it out pretty well. I need to fix this because that is a harsh line. So not bad at all. That's pretty much all I would put on a day-to-day basis. I really don't do much more than this. So definitely works. I will continue to use these. I like the way it applied. I'm not used to applying my makeup with this dry sponge. I normally use like beauty blenders to where it's wet. So this was a different experience, but it looks like it like did a really good job. It definitely gives a more full coverage. Like it doesn't soak as much as a beauty blender, which I do like because I do like a full coverage foundation. And then we're going to go in with the white one for some setting powder because I almost forgot. I already did the outro and everything in this video, but I'm going to throw this clip in and act like that didn't happen because I realized that I did not set my face. Okay, so I'm just going to push it into here. Whoa, that's a lot. Put it in the back of this. And just kind of go over the places where you get more oily. Mine is like around my nose super bad. My chin. And then my forehead. Got a nice big oily forehead. I'm trying to get some of that powder. So these things work great for powder. And because it's triangle, you can get right up underneath those eyeballs. Just really mattify everything. And if you wanted to do like the chisel look, you can grab these. And kind of do that. You have to grab a lot more product than that, but you get what I'm saying. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.